Alright, it's recording. Alright, so these are hot wings. Fuck, dude, it smells hot. So these are the
He fucking left. He didn't want to do it anymore.
No, he's coming back. These are the blazing hot wings. Where does it say blazing at? Oh, it says blazing right. Right there.
Promotional video.
So we're gonna, for real, huh? Fuck Buffalo Wings. Where's Benji at?
Alright, dude, this is Louis? Is there?
No.
Daddy.
Elon. Alright, so I had a bunch of different, come here, Benji. I had everybody on Instagram ask me a bunch of questions and I screenshotted them all. So what we're gonna do is we're all gonna eat a wing. Come on, Benji. We're all gonna eat a wing and then I'm gonna start asking the questions and you gotta answer them.
Hey, what's the weepy here, wait? What's the weepy here?
We're gonna try to eat a wing for every question. I don't know how that's gonna work. Hey, come in the frame, Benji.
It's Benji.
That frame, Benji. Yeah, Benji. Hello.
How's that?
Hey, give me my beer right there, Angel, please. Oh wait, I don't know what it's at.
Would you agree with this too?
Something.
Okay. Clumsy boy.
All right, let me pull up the first question. All right, okay, look at this is good. All right, so first we gotta get a wing. First we got, oh, this was a big one.
Should we eat the whole thing? Is it? No, you can't eat
Nah,
that.
let's do a bite. All right,
We should do it how the Buffalo Wild Wings does. We should do it how Buffalo Wild Wings does, and you can't drink anything, or you can't.
That's crazy, way.
Okay, then what the fuck is the wing challenge then?
All right, fuck it then. All right, loser got to rub it in the
Alright,
eyes.
give me the question.
Right. All right, no, fuck no. We all gotta eat at the same time. We're gonna take a bite. Grab a fucking wing.
Those questions will be all.
I'm gonna read the ones that for everybody. Yeah, grab a wing. Grab a wing.
I'm not gonna make it.
Oh, you can't use ranch. Just for looks. Grab a wing.
Smallest one.
Just grab one, man. Come on. Alright. Cheers.
What do you guys think?
Cheers.
I'm thinking like eating tapatio.
That's away from mine.
I was bending fucking meat.
That's gonna be the whole thing?
Nah, just take a bite. Alright, it's the whole thing. Oh, we can't wipe our hands either.
You guys are gonna put that shit in a gosh. Wipe your face. Ooh, you shouldn't have done that.
Well, you know what's up.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh my god, wait.
I don't know.
You ain't fancy, bitch.
Alright.
Let's be able
Who asked the question? Hurry up.
Alright, do you guys ever think you would get married? Stop, Benji. Do you guys ever think you would get married? And would you ever get married with someone with a baby? I do think I'm gonna get married,
No.
but honestly, I don't got nothing against any girls with babies. But I wouldn't marry any female with a kid. That's just because of me. Answer the question.
I'll say I'm gonna get married.
Would you get married with someone with a baby?
Yeah.
You can't be a hypocrite, huh? Would you, Louis?
Fuck no.
Benji?
I think I will.
You would get married with someone with a kid? Yeah. Alright, grab another fucking wing.
No, come on.
Oh, I couldn't do it.
Come on, Sabino.
You just asked like 5 questions and then.
Yeah, that's another question.
No, ask a couple questions.
It's going to wait. It's going to wait.
Was that
Let it get
hot?
hot again. Let it get hot. Grab one more wing and then we'll ask a couple questions. Come on, Louis.
They've got to finish everything that's on the bone.
Benji's just looking there. No.
Benji,
Come on,
come at
come
me.
on. No.
I'm talking about.
Alright, let me find another question. Let me see if it,
Oh my god, wait.
Alright.
Not even that bad.
You have to
You
go.
take a bite, you guys went through it fast.
Too late.
It's too late.
I'm in too deep. This is hot, wait. Alright, move it.
Question number 1. Who's the fine tatted guy? That's my nephew. That's him.
Wait.
Wait a minute. That's Isaiah. Wait.
Scooby.
That's Louis.
That's Benji. Alright, look at that one. Where's the most random spot you guys have ever had sex?
Spot?
Just the point. No, I'm not right.
I've had sex in the middle of a baseball field.
I had sex on a mountain on a rock.
Mexico.
On a rock.
What?
On a rock.
Oh, porta potty.
Other part of Mexico.
Oh, on a porta potty too.
What about you?
It's the same porta potty as him.
On
On a bench in
Not
a
with each
baseball
other.
field,
With each other.
in a park, in a restroom, in a car.
Hey, Louis, we know you have sex. We know.
Or
The
just,
randomest spot.
oh, there you go.
You didn't even finish
Oh,
it.
I'm getting lightheaded, wait.
My eyes hurt. Alright, I gotta know. Alright, what's one thing people will never know just by looking at you?
No, fat.
No, they wouldn't know. That was obvious.
Anyway.
What?
Alright, Benji, your turn.
You guys want beer?
Benji, your turn.
Wow, wait.
What's one thing someone wouldn't notice about you?
What's one thing somebody wouldn't know just by looking at you?
Guys, just turn your
I don't know. Actually, it's working.
Well, all these questions are from Benji, right?
Are you guys?
Benji, why the fuck are you so fine?
Jesus Christ loves you.
Jesus Christ, I'm a little beauty on here.
Hard question. Well, I don't even know what to answer that.
Ah, my lips are burning.
Oh, this
Wait.
is for chocolate, baby chocolate. These aren't any questions.
This was a bad idea, wait. But did you guys' family ever see your crazy snaps? So Louis' dad follows Ivan
You made
on Snapchat. But so whenever we're out, he'll text us like, "Hey, why you guys doing stupid shit?" or "Why you guys doing crazy shit?" You know? Oh, and his dad also asked a question right here. He wanted to know why we all eat so much chile.
I don't know.
I don't know.
To be honest,
Oh, fuck, I'm sweating, man.
I already made the second one.
Come on, stop being a little bitch, man.
I'm picking up all your snacks.
Benji eats like fucking, he like 5 of them already.
Maybe that was already 8. So 8 on
Oh, that's a good one, that's a good one, that's a good one. Let me eat another wing though. Alright, Louis. Come on, Louis. Thank you, Angel.
Look at all that shit.
Alright, that's a good question right here. Alright. If you were stuck on an island and could only bring one item and one person, who would it be? And what would the item be? Me.
Wilson.
Volleyball?
Volleyball.
I know what you're talking about. That's
Fucking yeah, like you. You left y'all puckered up when I want to kiss you.
A lighter.
a lighter?
Because I hate being cold.
I would bring. I don't know what I would bring.
A shirt.
I think Superman.
What?
Can you fly you up?
So you can fly me away.
That's clever, Scooby. But wrong.
Oh my god, wait.
I bring a lighter.
Oh, and the guy from Maverick.
No, Bear Grylls.
Yeah, Bear Grylls.
I put you on your shirt. Full.
I'll give you another question.
Do I look like Kylie Jenner?
That's the juicy ones. Will Benji marry me?
Native.
Negative. How many blowjobs did you get in Rosarito like that? One. Who's gay besides Angel? Just curious, no offense.
J Queen.
Okay, that's it.
Yep. Okay. Let's take another bite of a fucking wing first of all.
Benji, most of them were on break.
That's right.
That is, I don't even know my way.
Alright, go, grab
Are you
it.
there fucking trying to get away?
It doesn't even bother him.
You asked the questions.
Okay, take it. Read that one.
Don't answer this.
Don't answer. No, you don't scroll up because I screenshot it. What the fuck?
Oh, sorry, guys.
What the fuck?
So read that one, and then read these two. So that one first, and then that one. Alright, take a bite of the wing.
Why did Choco say where in the last close?
Oh, not that one.
She told me to read it.
I'll just read those two. Fuck, this is hot.
If you could pick,
That's game, man.
if you could only pick one best memory with each other, what would it be? The best one. But all of us though.
I think I want to say Havasu.
Havasu.
Havasu is
pretty
pretty
bad.
Fuck you guys. I got arrested. That's not the best memory.
Pretty fun though.
Yeah, right. Wait, from what you remember?
That was a great experience.
That's crazy. I can't
Rosarito
believe you
pretty
guys
fun
do me
too.
like that.
Rosarito.
I think one of our first times in Rosarito. Those were really fun. Those were the fun times in Mexico.
Before Rosarito was a main popular event thing.
We used to go to
We used to go to Papas and Beer when it was
before it blew up. Like
What was it for?
we would pay $20. No, even before the performance, we'll pay $20 for a bracelet for the whole weekend.
There was no stage.
There was there was nothing like
Now
that.
you're paying $200 for a fucking weekend.
Yeah. Shit. Let me see.
We're gonna go into the second one.
Those are some good times though. When we didn't have any money. We still don't have any money.
Yeah,
Next question.
Hopefully this video goes viral.
like comment and subscribe.
What was the first thing you and Choco thought of each other when you first met?
Alright, well,
He thought I was fat.
You and Choco.
yeah, I thought he was fat. He thought I was cute.
What?
So don't lie to the peeps. Alright, what's the first thing you thought of me when we? Oh, me and our cousins, by the way. So, what I first thought when I see Louis, I just want to fuck pound his face in.
I would too. I seen his baby. I seen his baby pictures.
Throw him out the window. No, for real.
Dude, come here on the front, man. You're behind his big ass head.
When I thought of you guys?
I honestly don't remember.
I met him when he was coming out of high school already.
I was probably high, so I don't remember.
I met his
Well, when I first started kicking with him, I was invited to all the parties in high school. And then
What the fuck?
I shouldn't bring this up, but for reasons why.
Yeah. Well, this is
I stopped getting invited to high school parties because of them.
pretty much I was a
But
badass fucking kid. I used to fight a lot.
That is old him.
Sue me. Sue me.
So this guy, he lost all his popularity because of us.
Louis was actually the cool kid in high school.
Well, then after he wasn't because I was
Nobody liked him.
because I was his friend after.
We would go to parties to beat everybody up, and Louis tagged along, so they stopped beating him up too.
Yeah, I was a bad kid. No.
What the fuck?
But now we're the popular kids and everybody wants to invite us.
Yeah.
Now Louis coming with us everywhere.
Fuck all everybody that doesn't invite Louis anymore.
So it's like a payback. It's like a payback. Now those guys are just home with their wives.
Back
and kids.
then, hoes didn't
Not
want me.
doing the damn thing
Now
with the
my
guys.
hoes all on me.
Oh wait, we should
What do you want? What do you want? Oh.
I gotta put
Fool, you're poking the cut on my ass and it hurts, man.
Sorry. Should I poke this up to you?
Alright, what hurts the most? A tattoo? Oh, wow, that's rude. What hurts? The tattoos all over your body or the hater mark you got on the weekend? You know who you are. I ain't answering that. What made you join the military and why did you lose? When did you lose? Oh, when did we lose our virginity? Honestly, I joined the military because when I was younger, I told my dad that's what I wanted to do, and he kind of held it against me. But I don't regret joining, and if I could do it again, I would. It's an amazing experience. If you do get the chance to do it, you should.
I'm sorry people to do that.
Don't ever say that shit, man.
I enlisted.
USA! USA! Alright, when did you guys lose your virginities?
End of 8th grade going into first.
In the eighth grade, Benji? You didn't have no fucking fellas on your wee-wee yet.
Oh, you did it right.
Oh, I don't even know yours.
Let's go.
Alright, go ahead. When did you lose your virginity?
I think 15.
Okay. I lost my virginity when I was, I think, 14. And one of my homeboys, I'll tell you guys who it is later, but I can't because he has a wife and they were together back then. Me and him, we had a threesome with some girl in the back of my homeboy's sister's car. That's how I lost my virginity.
Hey, mine sounds like the same story.
It's not him though.
It's not me though. I lost my virginity 7th going into. Oh no, wait, I got 6th going into 7th.
Tell him the story of how it happened though.
How it happened?
Wasn't it in the desert?
We were at the palm trees.
It was in the desert, right?
We were next to some palm trees, and my homie's like, "Hey, you wanna have?"
You want in on this?
I had a threesome for my. I had a gangbang for my first time, and it was horrible. I rate that sex 0. Sorry, girl, that I had sex with. So.
Alright, so check this out. Have you ever gotten your ass eaten?
Yes.
Real men will answer it truthfully. Alright. Alright, Benji, you go first.
Honestly, I've tried in a porta potty, but I didn't let her.
Oh, that's okay. Well, there's right settings to have ass eating in a porta
I
potty.
think it's the right
Wait,
environment.
do I have to answer this?
Yeah, answer it honestly too.
It was on accident once.
How's it not an
Explain. I know about accident too, but I'm gonna explain. Go ahead.
How's it an accident?
Okay, from the balls to the gooch. And like the lights are off.
See, mine was on accident too, but it's because I was getting a BJ in a car. In the back seat, I had my legs like pinned up like this. I had my legs. Don't drop me, mother truck. I had my legs pinned up. Nah, not that high. That looks like I want to get my ass eaten. I had my legs. Come on, Louis. Pervert.
Sky high.
I had my legs up, and she started licking my gooch too. And I don't know if she did it on purpose, but she kind of went like, and it like skinned my butt hole. And it fucking freaked me out. It freaked me. I was like, hey, don't do that, don't do it. It scared me. You know? Would you guys ever get your ass? Oh, let me see it. What have you? Look at that.
I got my ass eaten.
Yeah.
How many times?
Not on purpose. Either.
Wait, on purpose, yeah.
Oh yeah, on purpose.
Would you ever get your ass eaten again?
Actually, I felt good. Just no penetration. Penetration is pushing it. Only real men get the fucking. Hey, when we ate those wings, fool, I can. My nose is clear. I can hear things. I can hear things.
I can heard it. Would you ever get your ass eaten?
Honestly, I don't really care.
It's not for you. What about you?
You're not a freak.
No.
What's that?
Honestly, I think once I'm married and me and my wife are like losing our relationship's falling apart, and you need something to spice it up. Like,
Try something new, honey.
you know? Or even just with my wife, you know? I'm not gonna let any just fucking nasty tongue with my butt.
Yeah, because
Have you been in the shower before?
they do it to us.
Yes, of course.
Tell me how many.
No! I will not.
Are you going to get married?
Yeah.
I got a fun fact about Isaiah. Never had a girlfriend before.
Really?
He had a prom date. That's it. I was there for that too.
Miss you, you know who you are. And if you see this video,
I always thought she was a girlfriend.
No,
No.
they never made it official, right?
Yeah, but
No.
alright.
So you never had a girlfriend. So
I've had a girlfriend, just never longer than like 2 weeks.
What's me and you?
So he never
But don't hate me.
No.
So I don't know. How do you guys think Isaiah's gonna act to me as a girlfriend?
Hey, to be honest with you guys are my homies.
You think it'll get free?
Nah, I don't feel like I will. I feel like that's why I haven't had a girlfriend, you know, because I love the freedom. I don't like someone telling me what
I've
to
had a
do.
girlfriend and I still hung up.
You had a baby mama.
No, baby mama, I was looking at her.
That's what I'm saying.
I know how to keep a friendship and a relationship.
See, I don't. I don't like. Okay, like with the girl-
he's saying that he's gonna disappear.
You know, I'm not saying that. I'm gonna disappear on my girlfriend. They ain't got. No, look. I just don't want someone telling me what to do. You know, like.
Well, you can't get an outfit female now.
What's the best part of breakfast? The ass or the titties? Alright, let me change that. What do you guys like? What do you guys prefer? A girl with ass or a girl with titties?
Ass.
Ass? I think ass too.
Dude, there's no ass.
I think the times have changed.
Yeah, that-
Before it used to be titties, now it's just ass.
All the girls that had titties back in the day, they're like to their kneecaps.
Because itty titty bitty. I got bigger tits than all these bitches.
Oh man. Alright. Oh, okay, let's go. Do y'all ever share the same hoes or do y'all got bro code? Okay. We do have bro code, but we do share the same hoes. You know, like for us, bro code will be like I would never hit up on Louis' girlfriend or ex-girlfriend or Benji's girlfriend or ex-girlfriend or him too, you know, and we're all the fucking same. But as far as sharing hoes,
That's how you keep a friendship, guys.
yeah, you guys don't know about that, you snake ass.
The morals.
Oh, you're gonna have to bleep a lot of shit on this. You snake ass motherfuckers.
You know what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
you are, bitches.
Yes.
Put it into the screen and but as far as like sharing hoes, damn, we're gonna have a lot of backlash from this.
Fuck it.
From the locals. Hey, but look,
We have morals.
yeah, we do. But like I said, as far as sharing hoes goes, yeah, they're for the squad, you know? There's just like Benji, catch this.
It's like this ranch, you just dip it in.
Yeah, everybody gets a dip, you know what I'm saying?
No second.
Ain't no double dipping.
I mean, I did finish you guys.
Benji cleans the plate. But, you got another question? I'm looking for it.
See these little parts here? I'll just cut them out.
Alright, nigga, this one says, are you a Trojan Ecstasy or a Trojan Magnum type of guy?
What?
Trojan Ecstasy or Trojan Magnum, but the thing, there's those, that's not a good question.
Yeah, it's not really.
Okay, because a Trojan Ecstasy is like the sensation one, right? And
Well, I
a
got-
Magnum is just a really big one there.
That's a good question. Someone said, how do you get the premium?
Alright, tell us, Choco.
Oh, yo,
Oh, you want me to say it? Tell him.
Yes.
Single.
Is that?
Yes, I'm single.
Yes. I'm single.
Benji's single too. Oh man. Alright, he's still laughing, you know? Benji's still giggling. Benji's gonna get it.
Why is all these questions are about Rosarito?
Cause it was bad, cause we were so lit on the fucking snap. Everybody's seen.
Oh, someone said, why you always without a shirt? Real question.
Oh, seriously? Honestly, it's not because of my tattoos. Because even when I'm gonna put a throwback picture. I got a picture when I was in Glamis as a kid. I just never wear shirts. I've always been comfortable with my body, and shirts make me uncomfortable.
You like the cut?
Yeah, I'm allergic to cotton.
Give them ashes.
Right, how did you feel or act after your first rejection versus how do you feel and act towards rejection now?
Okay.
So I don't honestly remember the first time I got rejected.
I was always afraid of rejection.
See,
Not now.
I'm not. I've never been afraid of rejection. You know, the worst thing a person can tell you is no or call you a creep. But
Wait. This girl said, does Benji's cute ass have a girlfriend? And she put her IG. Wants to look it up.
oh, let me look it up.
Look good.
I don't know, man.
Look it up, Louis.
This one?
Yeah. Benji has a girlfriend.
Benji's married.
Again, he's been married for about 5 years.
Benji's not a cheater either.
She's gonna laugh at that.
Alright, how old are you guys? Benji.
I'm 23.
I'll be 23 in 2 days.
Oh, happy birthday, Scooby!
You go party in my house, right?
Yeah, you guys will probably see this, so comment and tell Scooby happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm 23.
August 22nd.
Choco's old ass is 24.
Fuck you. I flunked the grade, that's why.
That's like, hey, but I'll tell you what, him flunking the grade is the best thing that ever happened to him.
Oh, we met in kinder.
Oh, yeah.
Guess what we did in first grade?
Yeah, you want me to tell?
Yeah, go
Alright,
tell.
check it out. Me and Choco met in kindergarten, right? Instantly, we were best buds, like this.
What do we do?
Okay, so I stole a joint from my dad, And
It was legal back then.
it was illegal back then. It was
Legal
illegal
now.
as fuck. It was actually so chronic, and if you're old school, you know what the fuck chronic is. For real, so I stole, not even a joint, I stole a roach from my dad, and I took it to school with a lighter, and me and Choco went into the bathroom, and I made him smoke it with me. Again, we were in kindergarten.
No, it was first grade. First
kindergarten.
grade, because we were on the big board playground.
We were in first grade. I took the roach and made him smoke it, and we got high. I was like, when's the first time you guys got high? Because we were in first grade.
We got high.
Hey, what about you?
That shit was crazy.
You got high.
Like in middle school.
Middle school?
Yeah.
So you got high before you had sex?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, no, I had sex before I got high.
Hey, okay, do you guys remember this? Remember when we had a cigar and we went to the desert?
Oh, this is a story.
Okay, yeah. So we had a cigar.
I know Benji brought a cigar.
Yeah, Benji brought a
Cigar.
cigar. So we wanted to smoke it. So me, Benji, and Choco, we went to the desert back there by my house.
The hobo mansion?
No, that was another thing. Wait, that's incriminating. Stop that. That's incriminating. Stop that. We didn't burn nothing down. So Benji got a cigar. Really big bush. Brush fire. That's crazy. We're some badass kids, let me tell you. Louis, get in the frame, dog. We're some badass kids. Oh, but Benji brought a cigar, and me, him, and Choco decided to go smoke it in the desert by where we used to live, or where I live and he used to live. So we smoked it, and we started freaking out because we smell like cigarette smoke. We smell like cigarette smoke. So Benji decides to go down and throw dirt in his mouth. So I go down and throw dirt in my mouth, and he goes down and throws dirt in his mouth. And when Benji looks at it, he smiles, and it's fucking he has mud all in his teeth.
But why were you
Still got some
why
sweat.
were we scared?
Oh, because
Oh yeah, Choco's
we were going back to my house, and our breath did not stink.
Yup, and Choco's dad,
It was super
Choco's
strict.
dad would have beat the shit out of Choco. If I was there, he would have beat the shit out of me. He would have beat the shit out of Benji and any other kids that were around. If you could change anything in the world, what would it be and why?
Go ahead, Benji.
Okay, pass.
I think, I think, nah,
Crazy.
That's it. Be realistic. I'll never be one of these. Okay, I would probably, I don't know what I would change. That's a really good question. That takes some fucking,
I would pick pollution.
change, like, you gonna change, what do you mean? Like, you gonna change how people pollute?
Yeah. People that are fucking retarded and can't throw away their
It
fucking
could be trash, especially in Glamis and
Don't
at the
fucking use.
pool.
Don't use straws, please. Save the
Save
fucking.
Save the turtle.
Save the fucking turtles, please. You ever heard of a fucking sippy cup?
I don't know what I would change. I know what I would change. I would change the fact that you have to wear a shirt in a store or you don't get service.
You know,
At a restaurant.
like in beach cities, you can.
Yeah, the beach cities, I can't go to Beer Town where I live. I walked in without a shirt and they said, put a shirt on. I was mad. I had to go back home and get a shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
I wasn't confused for this shit.
That's crazy. Oh, what are you guys' goals in life? I think one of my main goals.
I think everybody has a good bitch type of story already.
My,
But like in anything else,
it's just any one of your goals. I want to.
what career do you want?
One of my, I don't know specifically what career, but I would love to go back and work in the gas just because there's a lot of opportunity there. But one of my main goals is to get a good enough job where I can get a house and I could make enough money to do shit to travel and to do shit for my family too, you know?
Yeah, to get a family. I think everybody has that on the agenda right here in this little group right here.
That's what we got. Let me see. You got any questions?
That's the mindset you niggas need to fucking have, right?
Yeah. Help out, please.
Fucking pay your mom's electric bill.
Real, mine was $300 this month. Real, swear to God. It's the last months of the summer. They're really get you.
Last month of the summer.
Oh, look at where's a place you guys haven't traveled yet, but you guys want to go?
A lot of things.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, we
You know where? The number one.
Bangkok. I would want to go to
number one-
Thailand.
The number one party city in the world. Ibiza.
Ibiza, where's that? Ibiza. I don't know that.
I think in Australia too.
It's a.
Oh, Australia would be
It's
badass.
an island.
Or
It's an
Germany.
island.
The Oktoberfest? I've
Have you heard of that shit?
No, Oktoberfest. That's not in Australia. Oktoberfest is in not England.
No,
it's
it's Irish. Isn't it?
yeah, Irish. England.
No,
Ireland. England.
Oh, that shit is fucking crazy.
Yeah, I've seen. Have you seen the movie Beer Fest?
No.
It's like that.
That's probably it.
Nah.
Hey, but Amsterdam is badass too.
I don't like festivals.
Alright, this isn't a question, but someone said don't forget to put toilet paper in the freezer so you can use it after you eat those wings.
And the toilet paper?
I don't know.
That sounds pretty legit.
That ice cream.
That's smart.
Not for white.
Will you guys still be using the premium? It was lit.
Yeah,
Yes.
we are. That premium is only getting started.
Honestly, if
We had such a good turnout with that premium. It was like so. How do you say it?
it's rewarding because we're so free to do whatever. Honestly, if for those of you that used to watch our snaps from way back in the day, like I'm talking about like years, that's all we used to post. Like we didn't post nothing where we didn't cuss or I didn't show my wiener. Well, that's all we used to post. So it's crazy shit.
Yeah. Now it's just fucking sensitive. My son said a bad word.
And he got
I
recorded.
recorded and deleted the video. Like, come on.
Okay, this.
Like we're doing wild shit and I want to fucking record it. So that's what the premium's for. It's for all the people that want to watch that shit.
Hey,
Watch our crazy ass lives.
yeah, we do some crazy shit, and you guys only see the half of it. Some of the shit that think. Would you
I'm
guys?
sweating my boots.
Would you guys ever get matching tattoos? We already got matching tattoos. So me and Choco, I don't know if you guys know this, but I tattooed a dick on Choco's leg like a couple years ago, and he tattooed one of mine with mine and his initial. Let me move the camera so you can see this. Let me see it. So, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's not focusing. Oh, there you go. So that's the one I did on him. It's a double header. And this is the one he did on me, and he signed it. So yes, we do have matching we do have matching tattoos. I was thinking about us getting more, but would you get matching tattoos with us, Benji?
Yeah, there's not something steep.
Alright guys, we're gonna clock off this bitch.
All right, yeah, we're
Maybe Choco's right here, but I mean, he was playing a video game the whole time in the back. Go ahead, Dad.
thank you guys for
Say bye.
watching.
Bye.
Goodbye. Turn it up. Hey, you turn it up.